Blocking or unblocking contacts on an iPhone 15 helps you manage unwanted calls and messages, allowing you to control who can reach you. Here's how. To get started, open the phone app by tapping the phone icon on your home screen. Once you're in the phone app, tap the Recents tab to see all your recent calls, including missed ones. Find the number or contact you want to block from this list and tap the information icon next to it. This will show more details about the contact. To block the contact, tap Block Caller. A pop-up message will appear for confirmation. Tap Block Contact to add the number to your blocked list. From now on, any calls from this number will be blocked. If you block a contact by mistake, you can unblock them easily. Go back to the contact's information page and tap Unblock this caller. You can also manage your blocked numbers through the Settings menu. Here's how. Open the Settings app by tapping the Settings icon. Scroll down and tap Phone, then tap Block Contacts. In the Blocked Numbers menu, you'll see a list of all blocked contacts or numbers. To unblock a number, tap Edit in the top right corner, then tap the minus sign next to the contact you want to unblock. This will remove the contact from your blocked list. Repeat this for any other contacts you wish to unblock, and when you're done, tap Done in the top right corner. And that's it. Now you know how to block and unblock contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S24. We hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.